topic is plant-water relations. When the plant absorbs water from the soil, the water goes into the root system, then it goes to the shoot system, and from there into the leaves, and from the leaves it evaporates as water vapor. So, from the time of entry of the water and to the exit of water from the leaves in the form of water vapor, the relations of water with this plant we discuss under this topic, plant-water relations. Water potential. In the previous classes you have learnt about diffusion. Diffusion means any substance from its higher concentration diffuses out to its lower concentration. That is diffusion. So, water also diffuses. Suppose this is water. These water molecules diffuse gradually into the atmosphere, into the air as water vapor. First, water is a liquid. This liquid converts itself into gas, that is water vapor, and with how much energy or potential the water diffuses into the atmosphere in the form of water vapor. That depends on its potential, that is water potential. So, water potential is the diffusing capacity of water from its higher concentration to its lower concentration. This water potential is denoted, the water potential is denoted as a Greek letter psi. So, psi W indicates the water potential. When the water is not bound to any other molecule, it has its maximum diffusing capacity, and this diffusing capacity again depends on temperature present in this and also the gas constant. So, the water potential psi W depends on the temperature and also on the binding of the water molecules with any other molecule. If the water is not bound to any other molecule, it has the maximum diffusing capacity under given conditions, that is under given temperature, pressure, etc., and that is set at 0. Means when the water is not bound to any other particle, its maximum diffusing capacity is set at 0. This concept was given by Slater and Taylor. In 1960. When the water potential is 0, that is water potential of pure water when it is not bound to any other particle, that is 0, if any substance is added which dissolves in water, now the water potential gets reduced from 0 to minus level. So that is water potential.